What is going on, everybody? It's TG back with another video. Wanted to talk to you guys about NEO stock today because the stock moved a lot, not in the right direction for shareholders, in the opposite direction. Stock was down 5.9% and then down another 1.9% after hours after the company reported earnings. We're going to jump into all that. Before we start, though, if you guys want to hit that subscribe button, it means a ton to me. Also, if you guys want to support this channel, and it means a lot to me, I have a Patreon link, so link in the description below if you want to support the channel. It means a ton to me. But let's jump into NEO's earnings and break them down a little bit, shall we? So the company actually reported a top-line beat and a bottom-line beat as well. They were expected to do revenues of 101.5 bill, and they ended up doing 1.52, beating expectations. And adjusted earnings per share as well, they beat by 4 cents, which is a lot. They were expected to lose 6 cents per share, or they were expected to lose 10 cents per share. They ended up only losing 6 cents per share. Vehicle sales as well, up 102% year over year, which is huge, 1.34 billion, and up 9.2% from quarter two. Deliveries, this was obviously something people were expecting to move the stock a lot, depending on where the delivery standed, but they were right in line. They were not over, they were not under, they were right in line. 24,439, right in line with the company's guidance, which is cool though because it's 100% increase from Q3 of last year, which is pretty interesting, and an increase of 11.6 from last quarter. Margins 18%, which is nice. It means they're growing. It's huge for EVs. You've been seeing that with Tesla. The bigger the margins, the bigger the profits, the bigger the company can get. But why the company actually went down was guidance. And in the outlook, NEO expects revenue between 1.46 billion and 1.57 billion. Consensus was looking for 1.75 billion, along with deliveries between 23.5 to 25.5 thousand. So again, a pretty great earnings quarter overall from NEO. Just again, guidance. It has to be everything. It has to be everything for companies to move much. Especially you look at a stock that has been making a pretty big run these past couple of days, minus today, and there it goes. The Google chart is down. There we go. But we look at NEO in the past 6 months, it's up about 20%. Even in the past month alone, it's up about 15%. So the stock has flown a lot, and you need the good guidance to keep it up. So it's under $40 a share. That's actually what I was talking about with you guys in my Discord today. I said I think that NEO could drop under $40 a share if earnings aren't great. Earnings are good. They weren't great, though. You need all three to hit a grand slam. They hit earnings per share. They hit revenue. They just didn't hit guidance as well. And again, today was a rough day for some of the bigger EV companies. Look at Tesla. The stock down 12% today. So again, it's a little bit difficult for some of these companies to adapt to that. But overall, I still think it's going to be fine. NEO, they're very small compared to some of these others. 66.5 billion. That's pretty small, and they have the numbers to back it up with it as well. So going forward, I definitely think NEO is going to be a solid company. Obviously, it's Chinese, but it's not the Chinese stocks that are in the tech sector that are amid regulations and crackdowns. This is actually a company that's supported by the Chinese government, which is why I think it can actually do pretty well in the future. So we'll see if it can hold $40 a share. It's like sitting right on that cusp right now. But depending on how the market is, if the market's up big tomorrow, this will definitely be above 40. But if not, then probably going to stay under 40 for a little bit. But my price target next year for NEO, I still think NEO will be $60 in a full year, 12 months. I think it'll be back at $60 a share if it continues to grow in line with the estimates that they're expecting to do, the company put out. So anyways, guys, that's really about it. Nothing too much going on besides this happening today. PayPal took a massive hit. We'll break that down as well in another video if you guys want. But that's definitely something to look at because that company really took a massive hit. just down a lot. It recovered a little bit towards the end, but I mean, I would love to see this thing under $200 a share. I really would. So that's really about it. But anyways, guys, you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Bye.